Great. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon and good evening. So, in this video, we are going to see a program which will merge two arrays. What does it means? I will take two arrays. Int a is equal to, so int array a is equal to, and I will add randomly some numbers here, 4 comma 5 comma 6 7. Okay, I have added four elements in this array. Okay, so after that I'm going to create another array into b array is equal to, and I will add elements here, 1 2 3 and 8 and 9. So these are the elements. Okay, so these are the elements. So my program is that, my task is that I need to add these two elements, these two arrays, sorry, not elements, arrays. I want to add array a and array b. Say I cannot add b array values in a, b array elements in a, and a elements array in a array elements in b, because the size of the array is fixed, so I cannot add. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another array c, and I'm going to create this array by new keyword. See, this information is very important. This will be asked in the interview. Okay, in how many ways we can create array? In how many ways we can create array? Array can be created in two ways. Array can be created in two ways. Declaration and initialization is one method. Using new keyword is another method. Okay, I'll repeat this question. Okay, how many ways can we create array? Array can be created in two ways, declaration and initialization. Second one is using new keyword. Declaration, initialization is nothing but this one only. We are declaring array and we are initializing the array. That is what we call declaration and initialization. Okay, second one is new keyword. We are using new keyword here, and I'm trying to create array into new. So in this here we need to give size of the array. Okay, so as my program pre-requests, I need to add a elements and b elements in c array. So the size of the c array must be equal to size of the a and size of the b. So what I'm going to do is, I think you know how do you find the length of the array. Okay, array reference variable dot length. Okay, so a dot length will give me the length of a array. Okay, plus b dot length. Okay, so b dot length will give me the length of b array. I'm going to combine these two, and that will be the length of c. Okay, so why I have done it means I'm going to add a elements in C array and B elements in C array. So the length of C array must be equal to the sum of length of A array and sum of B array. Okay, so this is what I created a list. So I'm going to create a for loop into for is equal to int I is equal to 0 and I less than or equal to C dot length. Okay, C dot length and I plus plus. So this is this is the for loop. In this for loop, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a if condition. If I less than a dot length. Okay, if I less than a dot length, what I need to do is I'm going to do C of I is equal to, sorry, C of I is equal to I'm going to implement as a of I. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do if I less than a dot length. Okay, I will explain you why I have done. Okay, see, if I is 0, what is a dot length? A dot length is 4. Okay, a dot length is 4, right? So 0 less than 4, is it true or false? True. Okay, and this if block get executed, the condition becomes true, the if block get executed. So I value 0, right? C of 0 is equal to so C of 0 is equal to A of 0. What is A of 0? Okay, so A of 0 is what? 4. Okay, so C of 0 becomes 4. C of 0 becomes 4. So let us write here, C of 0 becomes 4. Okay, C of 0 becomes 4. After that, what I'm going to do is, okay, so I'm going to give else. Okay, so in else I'm going to say, okay, in else, so in else what I'm going to do is c of I is equal to, okay, what I'm going to do is b of I minus a dot length. Okay, a dot length. Okay, why I have given, I will explain you. I will explain you. Let us trace the program first. Okay, see, so c of 0 becomes 4, right? Okay, after that I becomes 1. When I becomes 1, 1 less than 4, true or false? True. Okay, 1 less than 4, that is true. So c of, okay, c of 1 is equal to a of 1. I value is 1 right now, so a of 1, what is 1 value? Okay, a of 1 value, that is 5. So c of 1 is equal to 5. So we are going to update c of 1 value as 5. After that, okay, if block gets executed and there is nothing to implement, and I value becomes 2. When I value becomes 2 is equal to c of 2 is equal to a of 2. What is a of 2? Okay, c of 2 is equal to a of 2. What is a of 2? A of 2 is 6. So c of 2 is equal to 6. So we are going to update c value as 6. Okay, so after that there is nothing to implement, and see I value becomes 3. So when I value becomes 3 is equal to, okay, 3 less than 4, true, right? That is true, right? So when it is true, c of 3 is equal to a of 3. That is the condition, that is the implementation of this block, if block. Okay, so a of 3 is equal to, what is a of 3? A of 3 is 7. Okay, so c of 3 is equal to 7. So c of 3 becomes 7. Okay, so after that I value will become 4. Okay, 4 less than 4, I mean length of the a is 4, right? So I value become 4 right now, right? So 4 less than 4, which is true or false? False. When if condition is false, we check for else condition. We go for else. What is there in else? C of I is equal to b of a minus dot length. Let us trace it. Okay, so c of I, what is I value now? 4. Okay, c of 4 is equal to b of what is I value? So understand logic here. I is equal to 4. I value is 4, right? Minus, what is a dot length? 4. A dot length 4 is, right? So 4. What does it become? B of 0. 4 minus 4, 0, right? 4 minus 4 is 0, right? So c of 4 is equal to b of 0. What is b of 0? 1, right? So c of 4 is equal to 1. So we are going to update c value as 1. Okay, that is very similar. Okay, so I value become 5. So 5 less than 4, false. So we go for else condition. c of 5 is equal to b of I value is 5, and a dot length is 4. Okay, minus 4, which becomes b of 4, b of 1, sorry, b of 1. What is b of 1 value? 2. Okay, so b of 2 value, I mean c of 5 is becomes 2. Just like that we trace all the elements. That is how. Okay, so we merge two arrays. If I run the program, I'm going to get output as, so 3 8 9. Okay, so this is the output I'm going to get. If I run the program, I'm going to get output as like that. Okay, so I need to give a printing statement. Okay, sorry. Okay, so let me write a for loop here. Okay, so yeah, so int j is equal to, so int j is equal to 0, j less than or equal to c dot length and j plus plus. Okay, so yeah, okay, j plus plus. So So in this statement we just give so output of that is previous one. So C of I. Okay, so if I run the program, I'm going to get output as, okay, so some syntactical error. So C of J. Okay, C of J. So I'll remove this println. I want to get all the outputs in the same line. So I'm going to get C 4 5 6 7. I'll give some space here. Okay, so I'll get answer. Okay, still it is running. Yeah, see, 4 5 6 7, two arrays merged, right? In order. Okay, so this is how we merge two arrays. Hope you have learned it, hope you have practice it a lot. It will be used. I mean, it's not about getting job, it's all about doing job తెచ్చుకోవడం ఈ రోజు కాకపోతే రేపైనా తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. సారీ, ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ తెలుగు. ఓకే, సో you can get a job. Okay, whether it is today or tomorrow you can get a job, but so how do you work, what do you work in that job? So what to do always depends on your basic knowledge. Okay, improve your basic knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.